आज एक्टिविस्ट ऑफ गोवा आणि सिविल सोसायटी सगळे जाण हांगासर आयिल्ले आसात। जी गजाल कोलकाता एक डॉक्टराचेर रेप जावन मर्डर जाला ताका कंडेम करपाक आनी ताका जस्टीस मागपा खातीर हांगासर आयिल्ले आसात। आय वूड रिक्वेस्ट प्रतिमा टू स्टार्ट विथ द प्रोटेस्ट एंड देन फॉलोड बाय
वेल जे कोलकातात 9 तारखेर जालें, एक जी दोतोर रेजिडेंट दोतोर जी आपले 5.5 वर्साचे मेडिसिन कंप्लीट करून PG करून सेकंड इयर करून जी रेजिडेंट आशिल्ली 31 वर्साची चली बायल दोतोर म्हणून ते कोलकातात जे हॉस्पिटल आसा कोलकातात, इफ आय एम नॉट मिस्टेकन इट इज रादर आर्जीकर गव्हर्मेंट हॉस्पिटल, येस, आनी इट्स इन द मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटी। त्या हॉस्पिटलान ते 9 तारखेर ती चली जेन्ना हांव मातशें ब्रीफ करता 11 वरांचेर आपल्या आवय कडेन उलयलें आनी आवयक तेणें सांगलें की मम्मा आय एम टायर्ड, आय हॅव बीन वर्किंग फॉर लास्ट 36 hours, द ड्युटी वॉज लॉंग एंड आय एम रियली टायर्ड, आय एम जस्ट गोइंग टू ईट फूड, यू गो टू स्लीप। 2 वरां सुमार रातचे पेशंट उणे आसता आनी इंटर्न असतात आनी धाकले जुनियर आसता म्हणून तेणें कितें केलें ते मातशें ते सेमिनार रूमांत खंय जे बेड्स आसतात थंय मातशें ले डावन करपाक गेले आनी ते आपले वर्क प्लेसार आशिल्ले आनी हॉस्पिटल्स आर सपोज टू बी द सेफेस्ट प्लेस, सेक्युरिटी गार्ड्स आर आउटसाइड, इट इज द सेफेस्ट बिकॉज वी टेक डॉक्टर्स एज सेकंड गॉड्स। आमकां कितेंय जाल्यार दुयेंत जाल्यार आमी लज ना डॉक्टराक सांगपाक, एक देव आनी दुसरो म्हणटा दोतोर, दोतोराच्या रूपान आमकां देव दिश्टी पडटा। पूण रातचे 2 ते 5 कितें जालें ते सगळ्यांनी तुमी ऑडियो क्लिप्स आयकले आसतले, ताजेर ब्रुटल रेप जालो, ट्रॉमटायझींग रेप, जेका त्या चलेक म्हणटा तो रेप म्हणल्यार लेग्स वर इन रायट एंगल, और आयज तेजे दोळ्यांत कावच्यो आशिल्ल्यो, कावच्यो, शी वॉज ब्लिडींग, नोज ब्लिडींग, माउथ ब्लिडींग, पर्सनल पार्ट्स ब्लिडींग, इवन द टायरॉइड ग्लँड अशें ताका मारून कवर केलें आनी ते सिद्ध जाता दॅट इज अ गँग रेप। अरे what is going on? And I don't want to blame anyone. We are not come here to do politics. We are come here for justice. Justice for doctors, not only doctors but justice for humanity. चली मनशांचे लायफ इन डेंजर। आज तुम्ही म्हाका सांगा, एक महात्मा गांधी म्हणिल्लें रियल इंडिपेंडन्स विल बी वेन अ वुमन, एक बायल चली मनीस रस्त्यार रातचे एकले इंडिपेंडंटली भोंवपाक शकतले विदाउट एनी फियर। आयज खंय तरी भिरांत पडिल्ली आसा। हांव म्हणटा की हय, आयज आख्खे देशान कितें चल्लां तें तुमी पळोवपाक लागल्या। मणिपुरांत कितें जालें तुमी सगळ्यांनी विटनेस केल्लें आसा। आयज कोलकाता जावपाक ना, मणिपूर आनी कोलकाता सोडात, गोंयांत जावपाक टायम लागपा ना। हांव वचून प्रमोदाक सांगता, हांव बायलांक घेवन जावं त्यो तालिगांवच्यो, जावं त्यो म्हापशेच्यो, जावं त्यो नाविलीच्यो, जावं त्यो मडगांवच्यो, कितले सिद्धी नायक आमचे चलेक ताका न्याय मेळ्ळा वायट दिसता। Yesterday I literally got goosebumps I got. I was literally crying. I could not. My son is doing medical, he's a medical student, final year. He's telling, Mama, our girls, interns are getting scared. If a girl is not safe in the workplace, it is not only about doctors. Amche chole I shikun khunka pawle young girls. Don't you think these young girls must be fearing? Well, are not fearing today. Do you all have that azadi thing in you all? No. They are also. I am fearing today. आज आनी जायत्या बायलांक न्ही उलो मारलो, म्हाका बायले सांगता येवपाक भिरांत दिसता मॅडम, ते वचच ना, हे म्हणटात दुसरे आसा ते VIP आपूण गाडे मोटारांत न्ही येतात, आमकां म्हणटा कोण ना, आमी बसीन वतात, बसींतली पोलीस स्टेशन जाता, कामा कडेन पोलीस स्टेशन जाता। आमचे गोंयकार कितले तरी बायल्यो आसा त्यो कितले सफर जाता आसतल्यो। आनी आयज हांव सांगूंक सोदता की हे देशांत वी आर नॉट सेफ, वुमन आर नॉट सेफ। माय सिस्टर इज बीन डेड टुडे, आय टर्म हर एज माय सिस्टर, शी इज आवर सिस्टर, one of our sister is gone. Imagine in our family इतले आवय बापायन ताका सॅक्रिफायस करून पयशे घालून शिकयले, ते चली खंय डान्स बारांत मोरुना रेप जावना, वो खंय सनबर्न पार्टीक तेजो रेप जावना, वो खंयच्या डान्साक खंय तेजो वो खंय फोलगा मारपाक गेले थंय रेप जावना। आनी आमकां स्टेटमेंट कितें मेळटा आमचे CMाचो, जेन्ना आमी सांगतात, जेन्ना हांव बायलांक न्ही घेवन चल्यो मनशांक घेवन अशें पुलीस स्टेशनार गेले तेन्ना बेतालबातीम रेप जाली तेन्ना तोच न्ही स्टेटमेंट केल्लो CMान की आवय बापायची जबाबदारी, दे हॅव टू टेक केअर। So what now? Who tell me when a doctor, resident doctor in the hospital is getting raped, brutally raped and murdered, gang raped, who has to take the responsibility? I am saying yes, somewhere the amche kaitari bhartat as woman is not safe, सेफ्टी म्हणटा ते ना हांव डिमांड फास्ट ट्रॅक केसीस जावपाक जाय म्हणून डिमांड करीत आसा हांव सांगत आसा कित्याक हांगा देखून इन द हावस इन द असेंब्ली तेणी सांगले सिद्धी नायकाची कांय केस ना एविडन्स ना सगळें क्लियर सो हे सेम थिंग कोलकाताचें जालां जेन्ना भुरगीं इंटर्न्स आनी डॉक्टर स्ट्रायकार गेलीं बसपाक 200 लोकांचे मोप आयले कॅज्युअलिटीत गेले रेप जाले ते प्लेसीर गेले ते फ्रीज ते मेडिसीन आनी सगळे एविडन्स पिड्यार केल्ले आसा सो आय थिंक लॉ इज फॉर सेल टुडे वी कंडेम दीस एंड द हायस्ट बिटर गेट्स इट खंय तरी फेअर आसपाक जाय लास्ट सांगता अगेन एंड अगेन सेइंग इट इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट कोलकाता और इट इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट मणिपुर इट इज ऑल्सो अबाउट गोवा गर्ल्स आर नॉट सेफ fast track cases should be taken should be taken fast as soon as possible and secondly criminal जो मेळटा तेका आनी life death sentence नी तेका म्हणटा ती capital sentence दिवपा जाय so that the fear will be instilled I want the youngsters the girls to speak here again we condemn this and आमची सानुभूती त्या चलेच्या आवय बापाय बरोबर आसा and we are with all the medical fraternity आमचो full support आसा जे सगळे आपण एक्टिविस्ट आयले आसा भुरगे आयले आसा आमची सगळ्यांचो तांकां full support आसा and we will always keep up with the truth and last but not the least I don't want to criticize हाज्या पयले आमी पयले जेन्ना आमी उलो मारलो तेन्ना खंयची तरी पट्टो घालून म्हाका दिसता ते बीजेपीच्यो बायल्यो कोण तरी हांगा आयल्ल्यो कंडेम करपाक शाबासकी दिता हांव बीजेपी महिलांक न्ही शाबासकी दिता की पयले पार्टी खंय तरी ते भायर सरल्यो ते कितें आसूं ते खंयचे एंगल आसूं ते पॉलिटिकल देखून एंगल आसूं मे बी बिकॉज थंय तांचो सरकार ना आनी तांचो सीएम ना पूण हांव त्याच बीजेपी महिलांक न्ही सांगता बाय गो सिलिंडर म्हारग जाता तेन्ना मातशें याद गो कित्याक प्रतिमा आनी ताचेच ग्रूप आसता बाय गो सिद्धीचे असले बायलांचे खंयचे सून कोण जासून मारता कोण गो बायलेक त्रास करता कोण गो बायलेचो व्हिडिओ नागडो करून व्हायरल करता तेन्ना हांव उलो मारता तेन्ना आझाद मैदानाचेर हांकां घेवन आसता पळय तेन्नाय मातशें याद गो बरें दिसतलें एनीवेज आय होप दॅट द कॉल वॉट दे हॅव गिवन टुडे इज लायक अस इन demanding justice for the parents and to show the real fight and to say that we need justice and women are not safe so women's safety is a priority. Thank you.
I request now it is given the Nawal.
You introduce yourself.
So I am Sandra Florencia Pereira, Assistant Professor, Dempe College of Arts and Science, President of an NGO Uzwad. As Hangami ji asa, we are here. It's said that we are here because I don't want to come on the street and we don't want to come on the street because of the problems which I hear. We want to come and rejoice every movement because we are the taxpayers of this country. Maka freedoms hai, maka securities hai. Maka na jenna माझं जन्म जाता when I'm born people are deciding whether I'll be born or I'll be killed. After that whether my father, my brother, my neighbor, whoever it is, if I go to workplace, if I go to school, I don't feel that I'm safe. It is unacceptable to me. Jenna 50% of this Indian crowd is women. We are celebrating Women's Day. We are celebrating Independence Day. But 50% women in India, we have the population of India which we have, forget about the third genders and other genders, them too we are not considering at all. Women is not free. And how is that I can call myself free? Because I go to a workplace now. I am scared that if suppose I am late a little bit, whether I'll reach home safely. That is the concern. My young brothers and sisters who are there, the people old, young, old, doesn't matter what clothes I'm wearing, where I'm going. I may want to go and party. I may want to do whatever I want. I want that freedom to walk on the streets of my land or anywhere that I'm there in the world. It is disgusting. The rape and the brutal murder which has happened is disgusting for various reasons. One, because it is a rape, someone's freedom is taken away. That's why it is disgusting. Second, someone's right to live is taken away, and it is a brutal, disgusting thing which has happened. Next thing, that they are interfering with the evidence is more worse than anything else. The parents have been told that it is a rape, it is a suicide, it is a suicide. The policeman cannot understand that a girl is naked fallen over there, whether she is committing suicide or whether she is raped and murdered. And we are being broken into pieces. The women of India is broken into pieces. We are here today not as a part of any political party. And now politicians may say, okay, it is BJP, it is Congress, it is whoever TMC. We don't care who it is. Over and above the political parties, what has to be there in country is law. Law and administration should be highest. Law is most important. Everything else, everyone else has to abide by that law. And this is not happening. When a mob is coming, and it's a worst thing which can ever, you can hear, that a mob is coming against the protesters and coming in the hospital to destroy the evidence. It is disgusting. The entire law and order of the entire country collapses that movement. That is what I would say. And I want justice for not only the doctor who has gone through this. Every day there are rape cases. Please open the statistics and see. 16 minutes, one rape. I tell my students, today I told my students, 1 hour I'm taking a lecture. In this 1 hour, 5 girls in India are raped. My hands are shivering, not because I'm talking, I'm used to talking to my students, but because of the fear that my sisters, everybody is facing. I cannot tolerate this anymore. I cannot, and we cannot tolerate this anymore. We want a strong law. We demand a strong law. For this case, we demand that the people who were all involved, not only one person as a scapegoat, people who were all involved should be caught, and the minimum punishment, I will call, capital punishment as a minimum punishment can be given to them. Higher than that, there are a lot of punishments, but capital punishment is a minimum punishment which can be given. We need to give justice to her, and we should not be silent after that. Nirbhaya case sali, magir ami sogli thod dali. We should not be silent after that. Okay? The law should be so strong that nobody can, ever dare to come and, touch or look at the girl. Social media, we are putting a post. People are commenting there about the way girl looks, the way girl dresses. Who are you to tell me how I'm supposed to dress? You are nobody to tell me where to go in the night or day or whatever. I want to be in my country free, and that freedom is what we have come here to demand. Freedom for everybody in our country, every girl of our country. That is what we are demanding, and the law should protect this freedom of women. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Paroma Kulkarni, and I'm 18 years old. So whatever happened obviously was very horrific. It was very bad. As she said, you all can see her legs were right angled. Her father found her, and by the way, they kept her parents outside for 3 hours. Her mother was begging, you have to demand for this stuff. I don't think you should be allowed to, see your own daughter. And especially right after this case, a college in Assam, they put out rules saying that, females should do this, females should be more careful. But how about you teach your sons, how about you teach your men how to respect women and how to behave in public? What about that? We as women, as an 18-year-old, I don't think I should feel like this. I have to think 100 times before I go out. Even today, while coming out here, I had to choose which route I was going from because there were 2 men on some other road. Why is this happening to us? Why can't people teach their own men? It says here, don't rape. You know, people say don't get raped, you have to be careful. Why? That's the point here. People, they are raised so in a completely different environment, and men, they just come out and they think that they have a right to our bodies. You go out, someone will catcall you. You go out, someone will, you know, touch you. Someone will say to you, someone will stare at you, which is completely wrong. We are told how to dress. We are told what to do. You know, oh, you're with a man, you're talking to a man, you have chances of getting raped. But what about his thoughts? Isn't his responsibility? Isn't it his responsibility to think about it? I feel like it's completely unfair, and we demand justice for our doctor. She's our sister. India's pledge, we are brothers and sisters, right? You know that. And we are raping our own sister, man. What is going on in India? And you see people in different countries, rapists have a very, you know, they get beheaded. You know, they're killed and everything. But in India, our rapists are roaming freely. What are we doing here? According to me, we need to castrate our rapists. We need to castrate them. We need to chop their hands off. We need to take their eyeballs out. I know it sounds very horrendous and very ridiculous, but it's how it should be done. Because everyone, we need to feel safe. We celebrated Independence Day, but women, are we independent? Do we feel like that? We don't. We have to think so many times before going out. We need to think so many times before doing anything. That's all I have to say. Thank you.
I feel like to all the men out there, by the way, my name is Stuti, and my only request is to all the men out there, go have an uncomfortable conversation with your mother, with your girlfriend, with your sister, whoever you want to, with a friend, with a female friend too. Ask them on the daily how normal it has become for us to, you know, inappropriately be touched in a bus, or you know how normal it is to us to, you know, being stared with those dirty eyes by someone, and how normal it is. Like, it's our day-to-day lives, and should it be that way? Should we be always the ones calculating our risks about, you know how we should be dressed? Is this too much? Is this too little? Is this road safe? Is that road safe? Why should we be calculating so much when we just want to go out, when we just want to do the same things as they do? Why is it on us? As women, it's the job, you know, it's not our job to, it's not our personal project to protect ourselves. It's the job of our police, our institutions, our government that we elected, we bought. It's their job to make us feel, you know, protected. It's a fundamental human right. And if today I can't even have my fundamental human right, what kind of independence am I celebrating? Is that even independence? Is it? It's a question that you should ask yourself. Thank you.
म्हजें नांव वेदा देसाय. वळख म्हजी स्वताची जर करची जाल्यार हांव ह्या देशाचें चली, आनी आज एका देशाचें चली अशें ना जावन गेल्लें आसा. आज प्रत्येक चलयेक खंय ना खंय भंय दिसून गेल्लो आसा, कित्याक जेन्ना असले अमानुष्य कृत्य घडटा तेन्ना फक्त त्या चलयेकूच न्ही, प्रत्येक चलयेक भारताच्या जावं खंयी जे चली आसा ह्या देशांनी तांकां भंय दिसता. आनी ह्या वेळार आमकां समजून घेवपाची खूब गरज आसा. ही शिक्षा म्हणटा ती कितें? शिक्षा फक्त भुरग्यांक सुशिक्षीत केलें म्हणून जायना. शिक्षा ही अशें अमानुष्य करता पळय तांकां शिक्षा दिवपाची खूब गरज आसा. ह्या उतराचो जर सारको आमी समज घेतलो न्ही, आनी जे वयर आमकां हे ज्युडिशरी बसल्या पळय तांच्यांनी जर हाजो वापर सारको केलो न्ही, जाल्यार कितें तरी चेंजीस घडूं शकता. नाजाल्यार हे पिक्चर न्ही निर्भया 1, निर्भया 2 घडत रावतले. हे आयकूंक कोणाकूच बरें दिसना. हाजेर जितलो वेळ बरे तरेन स्ट्रॉंग हे कांयच एक्शन घेना तितलो वेळ अशी कितली जातली, आनी अशी कितलीशीच जाल्ली आसा जी रिपोर्ट सुद्दां जायना. म्हजी मागणी इतलीच आसा, ह्या आमची प्रत्येक चलयाची इतलीच कळकळीची विनवणी आसा की खरेंच आमी आझाद आसा काय? आमकां आझादी तेन्नाच खरे तरेन जगूंक अशें जगतली अशी दिसतली जेन्ना आमी खंयच्याय वेळार कितेंय घालून न्ही अशी वील फील सेफ. सद्या दिसना आमकां कितेंय कपडे घाल, कितेंय कशेंय हे कर, आनी हाची सुरवात फक्त अशें पळयतना ताजेरूच जायना. सोशल मिडियाचेर कितल्या भुरग्यांक कशे तरेन कॉमेंट्स घालता, कितें करता, हाची सुरवात बारीकल्या बारीकच्या गजालींतल्यान जाता. म्हणून ही शिक्षा म्हणटा ती दोनूय तरेन मनशाक शिकोवपाची आनी बुद्धूय शिकोवपाची सारकी तरेन जेन्ना आमचो हो देश समजून घेतलो तेन्नाच कितें बरें घडून येतलें, नाजाल्यार अशें दिसान दीस वायट गजाली आनीक वायट जायत वतल्यो.
Remove the mask.
Hi, my name is Afreem Khan.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Afreem Khan, and I'm a counselor working at Delhi College of Arts and Science. It is very sad to hear about what is happening in India, and especially worse because being a counselor, I hear these cases almost every day. You know, like dealing with students who face all of these problems. It's not easy for them. It's not easy for anyone. Imagine someone sitting in the bus, someone coming and touching them, and they are unable to do anything. I remember when we were studying about trauma, and my hands are shivering right now, I'm sorry about that. When we were studying about trauma, it was always said that whenever someone especially goes through something like this, very big thing, a bad touch or a good touch, we're not prepared with, it happening every day, right? So our brain goes to something called as freeze mode, which is, we kind of get like paralysis. You know how paralysis works, right? We cannot move our hands, we cannot move our shoulders. When something like this happens, our brain kind of stops working. Okay, we are in shock, we don't know what exactly is happening. And when a girl doesn't raise her voice at that particular time, who is blamed? The girl is blamed. Or anyone who is not raising their voice is blamed. But do we understand what is exactly happening to them? Do we understand that it's a shock that the person is going through? Right? And it is very sad because even when I go out at night when there's darkness present, even at 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, when it's slightly dark also, it is so scary because I have my own sisters, I have my two sisters who are working at night sometimes, and I am scared if they don't come home at time. Worried, my parents are worried that what if something happens, And we always tell girls, girls, you will wear this clothes, or girls will go out in the morning, go out with someone. Why don't we tell boys what exactly to do? Why don't we teach them from the time they are born, you're supposed to respect a woman. Whenever a child is born in the house, a girl is told not to go out, not to do this, not to do that. धाकटी भावा आसता न्ही, तांकां कोण कित्याक सांगना? तेंचे रायट जायना. मम्मी पापान कितें फक्त बायकूच सांगूंक जाय, ती कपडे कितें घालता, हे कितें घालता, तेंचे कितें मिस्टेक म्हाका सांगा. They are human beings, no? We don't have the right to wear. Imagine if something happens to us, imagine if something happens to a guy. Don't we fight? If anything happens to a brother, don't we fight? So why aren't people coming? And it's not just about the doctor. Now I see that just because it's of doctors, many doctors are coming on, and talking about this. But is it just the doctor's issue? Why can't other civilians come and fight for this? Every day, like Ma'am Sandra said, so many people are getting raped, so many people are getting molested. We only teach people about good touch, bad touch. Do we also know that it's not just about touch, it's also about the vision? So many people just look at you in such a bad way, and we don't even know, how disgusting it feels. It feels that something is wrong with us. Why has God made us like this? Someday, I remember one girl telling me, "Ma'am, why am I even a girl? I should have been born as a boy." How bad that thought is. Just imagine. You are a human being, you're born into this place. Imagine gods and goddesses. Durga. Kolkata is a place where Durga is worshipped. And this is what is happening. And it's not just about Kolkata, it's about Goa, so it's about the whole of India. Not just India, everywhere you look at any women, it is very sad. It is very sad, and it is very disheartening to see none of the women. If you do a survey, even right now over here, if you do a survey anywhere in Goa, ask them, they will be faced with at least one incident of whether molestation, whether a bad touch or a bad vision. Right? If not in the childhood, then when they grow up as an adult. So many people go through so many things as a child. Parents say, shut up. Why are you supposed to open up to people? Don't they deserve justice? Any person in the family does something, parents say, shut up, it's a family member, respect hoiti. Hoiti respect. Don't you have self-respect? Don't you have the respect of your children? It starts from the time a child is born. It's not when you grow old and then teachers will teach you. It starts in the house where you're supposed to teach, no matter what, a boy or a girl. Okay. Like even I have 3 sisters, and we remember anything if should happen, you should tell dad. And even today, I'm very proud of my dad because he's the one who gets sanitary pads for us. He's not ashamed to tell. And I'm so glad because he's always there to support us. My parents are there. Since we were 3 sisters, my family was told you only have 3 girls. Even now, when anybody asks us, do you all have a brother? We say no, we don't have a brother. So they're like only 3 sisters. So that question mark comes, and it is so disgusting to see this, especially in the families when you know that my parents, they have educated us so much, and I'm so proud of them. But when you see these things happening in India, it is very very sad. See, it's not just about the laws; it's about the people in the country as well. At the laws that the Nirbhaya case झाले, कितले वेळ लागले त्याका justice मेळपाक. See, till the person is found guilty, innocent, who is needs to get justice, she's suffering. The person who needs the justice, she's suffering for so much time. Where is it? What about my mental state? म्हणटा suicide attempt केला, हे attempt केला, त्यांचे ते right ते नाही. They're not doing it. No. Why are you putting fake allegations on someone saying that they attempted suicide? It is not a suicide, it's a murder. And it is, just imagine yourself into that state. It gives goosebumps, it gives nightmares to people. And especially for those who have gone through all of this, it's like a flashback coming to them. It's not easy. So please make sure justice, the person gets justice. And please, be with this protest. Thank you.
माझे नाव दिया नरवेकर. माझे नाव दिया नरवेकर. I'm here to condemn what is happening right now. Okay, so whatever is happening, the rape cases, the things going on right now, it is not fair. You are telling us how to dress. You are telling us where to go. You are telling us when to go out. This is not fair. You should tell your men. You should tell your brothers. You should tell your sons to go where, to do what, and to close eyes if you are so much tempered to do something like that. You are not supposed to tell us what to do. We have our own freedom, okay? So we are independent of what we want.
ना ग्रेशियस हांव सारकी शॉक जाले इन्सिडंट पळोवन आनी खरेंच सुचोरे दिसता म्हाका ते डॉक्टराचे कडेन कसले व्हडे सोंसले जाय. आतां इतले ब्रुटल एक्ट थिंगा जाले. म्हाका दिसता जेन्ना हांव 8 वरां GMCन आसता त्या डॉक्टराचे म्हाका चिंतप आसा, कारण त्या डॉक्टराकूय कांयच सेक्युरिटी ना, कॅमेरा चलोना. सेक्युरिटी आहा पळय ते भायर दारा भायर आसता, तेंकडे दांडोय ना, तेंकडे कांय ना. असले इन्सिडंट तर जाले GMC, कोण जबाबदारी? पुलीस येता, रॉबरी, डे लायट रॉबरी जाता मोबायल्सांचे. प्रत्येक दिसाक 2-2, 3-3 मोबायल थिंगा चोरी जाता. थिंगा केअरटेकर्स आसा, तेंचे कांय हिशोबानी ना, ते एक गँगूच आसा and they are minting money per month. It is more than 35,000 that they are earning. And GMC's doctor कितले पगार में होता, the nursing कितले पगार में होता. In spite of that low salary, तिंका security ना. फाल्यां तर असलेच इन्सिडंट GMCन जाले, डॉक्टर हुंय धांवन वयतले आपले जीव साल्वार करपाक. एक लिफ्ट थिंगा सारकें चलोना, हुंय धांवतली. स्टेप्सांतले ते रेलिंग्स पळयले रस्टेड, हात सुद्दां लावूंक जायना. ते टायल्स पळयले फुटलेले आसा. हुंयच्यान सेफ्टी आहा ह्या म्हज्या डॉक्टरांक जे GMCन काम करता ते. नो म्हणून पुलीस रावंड आसना, जावं वॉर्डांनी बाबा कोण आहा केअरटेकर्स हुंयच्या रुपान येतात आनी कशे येता ते. केअरटेकर्सांक थिंगा एक हे पासून ना, कार्ड पासून ना. How will you identify he is a caretaker or he is a person who has come to murder someone? So I am frightful for my Goan doctors, and I really request the government. These doctors are not safe in Goa too. Please do something. I humbly request. Please replace those CCTV at least. At least तेजेर ते footage येतले. आनी हांव मागता गोंयांत पळय इतले रेप लोटले. आतां आमी आयकलां कुंतोरीम एक बायलेक मारले आनी तेका इतली ब्रुटली मारले, तेका अबाउट टू मर्डर. पूण आमचे लॉ खूंय आहा. सिद्धी नायकाचे आजून आमकां जस्टीस ना. जायते केसीस आहा गोंयांत. बिचाचेर वचोंक सेफ ना. थिंगा पुलीस पुलीस असना काय ना तर मागता हाचेर सारखे लक्ष दवरचे झेमो काडचे न्हू आनी महिला मंडळाक एक सांगता गांवांनी महिला मंडळ आहा आयज तुमची महिला मंडळ आहा हे सपोर्ट करपाक फाल्यां तुमची भुरग्यांक अशें घडटा तेन्ना तुमी रडोंक येतले गांवांनी जे महिला मंडळ आहा तुमकां सांगता उठात आणि जागे जाया तुमचे भुरग्यांक न्हू तुमच्या चेडवांक न्हू तुमचे चेड्यांक पयले शिकोवन दिया थँक्यू
We have a poem written down.
So, as I told earlier, we are from Uzwad NGO, and we have written a poem about काल खूप दुःख जालें की आमी सेलिब्रेट करतात आमच्या देशान आमी खरें मानन फ्री ना पूण तरी आमी सेलिब्रेट करता सो हे दुःख आमचें आमी लोकां फुडल्यान कशें दाखोवचें ह्या कारणाक लागून आमचे वेदा देसाय बायेन ओके एक पोयम बरयल्ली आसा ती तुमच्या फुड्यान आमी दवरतात भारत माता की जय कह रहे हो तुम आज किस शान से बेटी लड़ी मेरी निर्भय आंचल है लाल जख्मी निशानों से
इलाज करने के सपने लेकर सो गई थी वो थक हार कर पर सोती रही वो उस मुर्दा घर देख रोई माँ कलेजा फाड़ कर
मेरे जय जयकार के नारे लगाए तूने बड़े है शान से आंखें फोड़ योनी खून लथपथ आखिर दिया क्यों तोहफा तूने इन हैवानों से
धोएगा तू पाप कहाँ से इन तड़पती चीख पुकारों के स्वतंत्रता वे वीर भी मुझे कह गए हम मरे भी तो इन हैवानों के लिए
सड़क गली हो या नौकरी आजाद घूम रहे हैं अत्याचारी भयभीत है हर घर की छोरी आखिर कैसी है स्वतंत्रता हमारी
अब कर मेरी तभी तुम जय जब हैवानों की हो पराजय हर लड़की जिए आजादी की विजय फिर साथ में बोलो भारत माता की जय फिर साथ में बोलो भारत माता की जय
थैंक यू
आज एक्चुअली कितें म्हणून उलोवपाक कितें म्हणून उलोवपाचें हांगा आयला आमी 10 वर्सां पयलीं हांगा आयिल्ले आनी 10 वर्सां पयलीं निर्भयाक लागून आमी मेणवाती पेटयल्ल्यो गांवांनी मेणवाती पेटलेल्यो आनी गांवांनी फक्त जस्टीस जाय म्हणून मागताले कितें जस्टीस वी वॉन्ट जस्टीस इंडिपेंडन्स मेळ सगळें मेळ फक्त जस्टीस मागता अजून पर्यंत म्हणल्यार आमी चिंतपाक जाय की एक बायल मनशेक तर भायर वचून ताका तर फ्रिडम ना जाल्यार कसलें इंडिपेंडंट हें कसलें इंडिपेंडन्स आमकां हें इंडिपेंडन्स फक्त मनशांक फक्त दादल्या खातीर मेळ्ळा काय बायलां खातीर मेळ्ळा म्हाका विचारपाक जाय जेन्ना फ्रिडम फायटर आशिल्ले फक्त दादले आशिल्ले काय बायलां आशिल्लीं आज एक्चुअली पळोवपाक वायट दिसता प्रत्येक फावटी एका ब्लेम करप तेका ब्लेम करप जाता बाबा न्हू रेप जाला न्ही तेज्या आवय बापायक भुरग्याक आनी भावाक कळटा बाबा कसलो परिणाम जाता तो आज म्हाका विचारपाक जाय आमचे सिद्धी नायकाक रेप जालो मर्डर जालो आनी दर्यान उडयले आनी सगळे प्रोपगंडा कितें केलो ते सुसायड करपाक लागून ताणें कपडे काडून सुसायड केलो म्हणून कपडे काडून सुसायड करपी मनीस म्हणटा पळय ताणें विचार करपाची गरज आसा तेजी मानसीक स्थिती सारकी ना म्हणून जेन्ना आयज ते डॉक्टर जेन्ना कोलकाता त्यांच्या ऑथॉरिटीसीन सप्रेस करपाक लागून ते म्हणपाक लागलो सुसायड म्हणून आयज व्हेरी कॉमन डिसीज हे जाल्ले आसात कितें जालें लिपोवपा खातीर आज कॉलेजीन तर इन्सिडेंट घडलो कॉलेजीचें नांव राखपा खातीर तो सुसायड म्हणून डिक्लेअर जातात स्कुलांनी समज रेप जालो जाल्यार स्कुलाचें नांव राखपा खातीर सुसायड म्हणून डिक्लेअर जातात जरी तर खंयचे गव्हर्मेंट स्कुलां गव्हर्मेंट कॉलेजींनी गव्हर्मेंट इन्स्टिट्युशनांनी तर जालें जाल्यार गव्हर्मेंट आपले म्हणजे सगळे जाणां पळय आपलें नांव राखपा खातीर सुसायड म्हणून डिक्लेअर करतात म्हाका एक विचारपाक जाय आयज सरकार आमी सदांच प्रोटेस्ट इन्सिडेंट घडल्या उपरांत कित्याक लागून येता आनी मारता इन्सिडेंट घडच्या पयलीं आमी प्रिवेंशन कितें आसात तेंच्यांनी एक बायल म्हाका खऱ्यांनीच ल्हान भुरगीं जेन्ना म्हणटाले वाय शूड दे फायट फॉर देअर प्रोटेक्शन. आमी कितें करता? आमच्या भुरग्यांक, ल्हान भुरग्यांक कितें शिकयता आमी? तेन्नाच्यान सुरवात जावपाक जाय. ल्हान भुरग्यांक ना, तुमी कवर करपाक जाय, सारकी न्हेसोन भायर सरपाक जाय. आनी चेडे स्लीवलेस घालून खंय वचपाक जाय? तांच्यांनी स्लीवलेस घालून, तांच्यांनी बिकिनी घालून. वॉट डज इट मॅटर फॉर अस? What does it matter for us? Who are we? I have heard politicians saying that तुम्ही बिकिनी घालून ब्रिचार वचनाका म्हणून सांगता. तू कोण? Who are you? Is this written down in our constitution what to wear, what not to wear? म्हणल्यार तुम्ही आज हे शिकवच्या पयलीं म्हाका काकू दिसता हांगासर पुलीस ऑफिसर आसा. म्हाका एक कळपाक जाय, गोंयांत तर सेफ्टी ना जाल्यार एके बायलेक जेन्ना पुलीस ऑफिसराक ड्युटेक घालता तुमी, एक बायल असतात. कित्याक असतात? ताजेर इन्सिडन्स घडलो जाल्यार कोण जबाबदार? कोण जबाबदार? विचारते पुलीस ऑफिसर हांगा फाटल्यान आसा. आय हॅव सीन वन लेडी ऑफिसर इन खंयच्या एक लेडी ऑफिसर आसताली थंयसर, एक लेडी ऑफिसर आसताली. जरी तर पुलीस ना जाल्यार पुलीस घेयात. आज म्हाका विचारपाक जाय, जेन्ना जीएमसीन एक मनीस तर भितर सरपाक शकता वॉर्डान आनी चोरी करूं शकता, जाल्यार तो मर्डरूय करपाक शकता. तो मर्डर करपाक शकता. आनी तेन्ना कोणाक ब्लेम करपाचें? हू हॅव टू बी ब्लेम? ल्हान भुरग्यांचेर 2.5 वर्सांचे भुरग्यांचेर सुद्धा रेप जातात. हाऊ मेनी सीसीटीव्ही कॅमेराज वी आर गोइंग टू इन्स्टॉल? टेल मी वन थिंग. कितले सीसीटीव्ही कॅमेराज इन्स्टॉल करपाचे? म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी रेपिस्टांक हो मनान आसात. रेपिस्टांक हे मनान आहा की म्हाका फ्रिडम आहा, हांव रेप करतलो, हांव बरो एक लॉयराक, बरो नांव आशिल्लो लॉयरा कडेन वयतलो आनी त्या लॉयराक सांगतलो म्हाका कशी करून बेल दिया. वो कॉन्फिडन्स जेन्ना तेजे कडेन आसात, अशें कित्याक लागून ना? खंयचोच लॉयर म्हणपाक जाय हे रेप केला, आय विल नॉट टेक युअर केसीस. हांव घेवपा ना तुका केस. ज्या दिसा त्या प्रत्येक मनशाच्या मनान भंय आसतलो. आय एम सॉरी टू से दीस, वेन द लॉ हॅज फेल्ड, वी पब्लीक आय विल टेक द लॉ. आमी लॉ अँड ऑर्डर सिच्युएशन जे तुमी फेल केल्ले आसा ते आमी घेवपाक रेडी आसतले. अशें तर गोंयान खंयच्याच बायलेचेर, भुरग्याचेर, कोणाचेरय रेप जाले, आमी कोर्टान धाडच्या पयलीं आमी कायदो हातीन घेतले. कित्याक कितले फावटी रावपाचे? 7 years इट टेक्स टू गेट जस्टीस फॉर निर्भया. 7 years फायटींग इन द कोर्ट. कितें मेळ्ळें? जस्टीस मेळ्ळें. ते बाबड्यान हांगासर नात. म्हाका एकूच विनंती करपाक जाय सरकारा कडेन आनी सगळ्या बायलां कडेन, हो विशय निर्भया 2 जी केस जाली आसा, हो विशय ते कोलकाता आसा म्हणून इतले आमी सेल्फी जानाका. ते कोलकाता जाल्यार गोंयान जावतले अशें तुमी सांगनाका. गोंयान ऑलरेडी जाल्ले आसात आनी आमी गोंयकार विसरतात. आयज कितें घडलेलें फाल्यां विसरतात. म्हाका एक विचारपाक जाय, जेन्ना बशींनी जेन्ना थोडे मनीस जे फाटली फुडें आसतात आनी ते तेंकता तेन्ना तुमकां कळटात दादले मनीस कितें करतात, आमी कितें करतात? वॉट आर वी डुईंग? रिमींग व्हिडियोज फॉर रील्स? वॉट शूड वी डू? वी शूड स्लॅप. आय एम टेलिंग यू, वी शूड स्लॅप. आमी पयलीं तो कन्सुलार मारपाक जाय आनी मागीर पुलिसांक आपोवपाक जाय. असली केसीस जावपाक जायना. कित्याक हे फक्त पुलीस करतले नाजाल्यार पॉलिटिशियन करतले म्हणून जावचो नात. हे जेन्ना घडटा तेन्ना भंय आसपाक जाय आपलो कोण तरी भाव राखता म्हणून. रक्षाबंधन, राखी बांदता. कित्याक 19th रक्षाबंधन म्हणून सगळे राखी बांदतले. कोणाक बहीण ना तेन्ना जर दुसरे कडेन वचून राखी बांदतले, रील्स काडटले, सगळे करतले. कित्याक राखी बांदता? फक्त एकेच भयणी खातीर आनी बाकी सगळ्यांक रेप करपाक? एके भयणीकूच बांदतलो, बाकी सगळ्यांक रेप करपाचे? जाल्यार ऑल आय माय ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर कित्याक लागून म्हणटा? कारण उडया ते. आज हे शिक्षण जे आहा पळय ते स्कुलांतल्यान जावपाक जाय. हे शिक्षण आहा पळय ते हांगासर इन्स्टिट्युशनान जावपाक जाय. आयज हे शिक्षण जे आहा पळय प्रत्येक, हांव लास्ट जेन्ना क्लोज करपा पयलीं सांगता, क्लोज करच्या पयलीं एक गजाल सांगतात. हांव म्हाजो हंबल रिक्वेस्ट आसा, इफ यू वॉन्ट पॉलिसी टू बी चेंज, आय रिक्वेस्ट ऑल दी गव्हर्मेंट, please do not give tickets to the rapists. Please do not give tickets to the rapists. कित्याक हे जर पॉलिसी फ्रेम करपी आसा मनीस जाल्यार हे जे रेप करतले जाल्यार पॉलिसी तशीच फ्रेम जातले, लॉय तशेंच फ्रेम जातले. सो रिक्वेस्टिंग एवरीवन, बिफोर यू चूज अ पर्सन, पयलीं पळया आपल्या घरान बायल मनशाची दोळ्यान पळयात. पयलीं पळया आपल्या भुरग्याच्या दोळ्यान पळयात, चेडवाच्या दोळ्यान पळयल्या, बायलेच्या दोळ्यान पळयात. आनी आपूण जेन्ना वोट मारता पळय, हो वोट येता एकूच दीस आसता 5 वर्सांनी. हो जेन्ना वोट मारता पळय तेन्ना चिता आनी फुडल्या 5 वर्सांनी आपली बाय, आपणी तर रॉंग डिसिजन घेतले जाल्यार फाल्यां सकाळीं म्हाजी बायल रेप जावपाक शकता रस्त्याचेर, म्हाजे भुरगे रेप जावपाक शकता रस्त्याचेर, म्हाजी बायल रेप जावपाक शकता, म्हाजी आवय रेप जावपाक शकता. हें चिंतून जेन्ना वोट करतले तेन्ना डिफरन्स हाडटले. आय रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन, ऑल द गोवन्स, दिस इज नॉट अ इश्यू ऑफ डॉक्टर्स. म्हाका बरें दिसता की बाबा डॉक्टरांनी आमचें काम केल्लें आसा, आयज प्रोटेस्टाक बसतात. पण एक गजाल आसा, बायल मनीस ती, हे बायल मनशेक हे चेडू भुरग्याक हेका आमी आजादी दिवपाक जाय. आनी आय फील आय से दॅट दे आर नॉट इंडिपेंडंट. ते आमच्याच कंट्री इंडिपेंडंट ना. द वे दे स्पोक देअर हार्ट, they are not feeling independence. We have to give them independence in our own country. Thank you so much. Candle. Yeah, please. Do you want to say something?
As a guy, I can't really say that, when cases like this happen, I understand it. Because yes, I hate what has happened, but to understand what the pain, the psychological hurt that women all across the world go through when this act is done to one woman, it's something that as a guy, it's hard to understand. What I do understand is that we are brought up in a world where we are told that from the moment we are born, you go to school, you go to work, you get a job, you have a family. That family part, that one thing that we're missing throughout the whole process of life is love, right? As India, we were born as a country of love. We were born as a country that was supposed to stand for love. And then to have people is the wrong word because that's just offensive to people. To have people do an act that is so, it's so outside of love. It's the opposite of love. It's just absurd to me. We live in a country, we live in a world where when things like this happen, whether it's a case like this or just whatever it is, if it's related to a man and it's something a man's done, it'll be, oh, men will be men. But that is such a bullshit statement. Because if that's real, then nothing in this world makes sense. I'm sort of rambling right now, but this is something that shakes me to my core. I, as a person, want to grow up and have a family, maybe have a daughter or a godchild who can go out into the world without having to worry about what some person will do to her if she walks into the wrong bus, if she walks into the wrong street, if she wears what she wants to wear. This world is a shitty place, but if we can if justice can be gotten for cases like this, if justice can be gotten for people within
my name is Sanket Revankar and I'm an assistant professor in Shimpe College. I just want to say that in a country, when you choose to sleep and you wake up to someone who is raping you and who is murdering you, then I think as a country, we better not sleep. Because we never know who is going to rape me the next time I decide to sleep somewhere. So I think we as a country, we are not educating humble human beings, but we are educating monsters. So I think this is, I won't say the best time, but the only time we can rethink our education system. I, as an educator, I feel ashamed that we have given rise to these monsters. And monsters have escaped. Monsters are free. So I think only monsters are independent and not this country. Thank you.
Well, before we go with the candle march, एक पोयम असा जी प्रथम पुतिनो जो final year student असा medical college is my son has sent this poem and personally told me that Mama, you are gonna say protesting with the medical students. The name of the poem is A Patriot's Lament. And he said that it is decided to write this type of poem on Independence Day, which he wrote yesterday, based on the Arjikar Medical College rape murder case. And it is this way. I started. In the city where the river Hooghly winds its ways, through streets that sing of Tagore's days, where art and culture deep and wide flow like the river endless tide. I stand a student in medical's light, a healer in training embracing the light. Kolkata's soul with its rich vibrant hues whispers wisdom from ages and stories anew. But today, as our nation celebrates its birth, my heart is heavy with the weight of birth. For in the alleys of the cultural shrine, a dark shadow fell crossing a sacred line. A doctor, a sister, met with a cruel fate in the city where lovers should never breed hate. As I hold my books, my stethoscope tight, I feel the pulse of the city that earns for its right. From the guts of the Ganges to college streets, Kolkata's rhythm is strong, its heartbeat sweet. Yet beneath the saris of red and gold lies the pain that the city history will forever hold. Pratham Kutini, देव बरें.
सगळ्यांक रिक्वेस्ट करता सगळ्यांना उजून ते मेनवाती आमी फुडें
आता भायल्या देश हितून जाल्या स्टेटीन जाल्या म्हणून न्हू ही आमची इंडियाची आमी हे भाव भयणी की आमी हें करूंक जाय. हें आतां लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिट्युएशन पळय इंडियेक आख्ख्या इंडियेक पळय हें जाल्ल्या कोड्यान आहा. हेंच आमच्या गोंयानूय जाल्ल्या कोड्यान आहा. ह्यो आतां रेप, मर्डर्स, ड्रग रिलेटेड केसीस ह्यो सगळे आमच्या गोंयाक काबार जाल्ल्या कोड्यान आहा. तोच आतां आमी ह्यो तेंको दिवपाक येयला ह्यो रेप केसी आनी इतले हें जालें हादसा जाला म्हणून. तोच आमी आतां आमची स्टेट सांबाळपाक जी पळय आमचें लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिट्युएशन सारकें सकयल पडलेल्या कडेन आहा तेचेर आमी आतां कितें लोकांनी उठोवंक जाय, विचार करूंक जाय. इतल्यो केसी जावच्या पयल्यो ही सुरक्षा दिवपाक जाय बायलांक. वो आमी म्हणटा इंडिपेंडन्स आहा ही डिपेंडंट जाल्या हेजो लागून आमच्यो बायलो इंडिपेंडंट जावंक ना भुरगींय जावंक ना, चेडवाय जावंक ना, बायलोय जावंक ना, कोणूच जावंक ना. आयज तांकां भायर भोंवपाक मेळना. कामाक वयतात थिंगा एटॅक जाता, बसीन वयता थिंगा एटॅक जाता, हॉस्पिटलांनी एटॅक जाता. तर हे आमी लोकांनी येवन भायर सरोन वो गव्हर्मेंटानूय कायदो ह्यो स्ट्रिक्टली कायदो करून ह्यो केसी बंद करपाक प्रयत्न करपाक जाय.
शंकर, तुम्ही जाणा हो जो इश्यू जालो सामको आमकां निर्भयाचो उगलास जाता. आतां ह्या चेडवाक घडोवन जर आतां फुडें गव्हर्मेंटान ह्या लोकांनी कसो पळोवचो, ह्या फुडें काय सेफ्टी पळोवपाची.
सेफ्टी इन सेन्स आतां सरकारान जागे जावपाची गरज आसा. आमी खूब सोंसले. आमी जे गोंयान घडनासले न्हू हेच्या पयलीं आमी 2 वर्सांच्या भुरग्यांचेर मॉलेस्टेशन पळयलें, 5 वर्सां भुरग्यांचेर मॉलेस्टेशन पळयलें, सिद्धी नायकाची केस पळयली आमी, भुरग्यांक कातरून उडयलेली पळयली आमी. कित्याक अशे खुबशे केसीस आमी पळयले. पूण म्हाज्या हिसपान जाल्यार सरकारान जे प्रतिनिधी धाडल्यात न्हू ते कोण हे असल्या मुद्द्यांचेर उलोवपाक सोदिनात. तांकां कुत्र्यांचेर उलोवप आवडटा, बाकीच्या गोश्टींचेर उलोवप आवडटा. पूण हे जे कोर मुद्दे आहा जे आमच्या सोसायटीन आमच्या भुरग्यांक इफेक्ट जाता, आमच्या बायलांक इफेक्ट जाता, तेचेर कोणूच उलोवपाक सोदिना. आयज आमी पळयता जेन्ना हे मुद्दे अशे घडटा त्या टायमाचेर एक सिलेक्टेड एक हे येता ग्रूप येता आनी प्रोटेस्ट करता कितें, आनी थोडे प्रोटेस्ट करिना. अरे हांव म्हणटा कितें सांग, मणिपूर जाल्ली ती बायलांच न्हू आनी ती इंडियनूच आमची. आयज कलकत्ता जाल्यार ती आमी इंडियनूच. आमकां जाल्यार तशें म्हणपाक रायटूच ना वी ऑल इंडियन्स आर ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स म्हणून. जर आमी देशा खातीर एक स्टेटमेंट वांगडा दिवंक शकना जाल्यार आमकां रायटूच ना. आयज आमी पळयता म्हाका कित्याक पडला, जेन्ना तुजेर स्वताचेर येतलें न्हू तेन्ना तुका कळटलें. म्हाका खूब वायट दिसता, म्हाका स्टेटमेंट करपाचें नासलेलें आयज. कित्याक सांग, हे जे ब्रुटल प्रकार जातात सारके, हेका रेप म्हणटात रे, रेप म्हणटात हेका. कितें अरे म्हाका एक सांग, कोणाची भयण ती, कोणा म्हाजी आवय सुद्दां एक बायल मरे, हो विचार करपाक जाय मरे. आयज सगळें सोडलां. आयज एक्चुअली म्हाज्या हिसपान जाल्यार ह्या असले रेपिस्टांक न्हू सावदीक जो कायदो आहा न्हू तो आमी इंडियन हाडपाची आयज काळाची गरज आसा. नाल्यार आयज एका आमच्या चलयेन सांगलें की 16 मिनटान एक रेप जाता म्हणून. तुमी विचार करा, आनी जेचे रेप जाता न्हू ते कितें फेस करता आसतली, तेजी फॅमिली कितें फेस करता आसतली तो विचार करा. हेचेर राजकारण जावपाक जायना. हेचेर राजकारण जावपाक जायना. कितें रेपिस्ट वो खंयच्या रेपिस्टाचो मरे धर्मूच नासता. कितें रेपिस्ट म्हणटा न्हू तेंचेर मरे दया माया करिनासतना आयज त्या सरकारान कायदो हाडपाक जावो. CA तुमी एका रातीन हाडपाक सोदता, NRC तुमी एका रातीन हाडपाक सोदता, तुमकां खंयचे कायदे जाय ते तुमी एका रातीन हाडपाक सोदता. जाल्यार ह्या आयज रेपिस्टांचेर कायदो कित्याक येयना की जेन्ना रेप जातलो तांकां फास्ट ट्रॅकाचेर हे करपाचें आनी हांकां शिक्षा दिवपाची म्हणून. कितें आयज काळाची गरज आहा. चड जालें हें सारकें. आयज आमची भुरगीं बायलां सेफ ना खंय भायर भोंवतली जाल्यार. रातची 9 उपरांत जर ती भायर उरली कितें जाल्यार आयज आमी कोणा प्रोटेस्टाक आपयली ती म्हणपाली रातच्यो वयताना लेट जातलो. कितें आमकां वयताना एकटी वयताना भंय दिसता म्हणून. हें स्टेटमेंट एक हें दिता, संकेत दिता की आमचें गोंय सुद्दां सेफ ना. हे जे ऐवान आहात न्हू तेंचे हितून आमचें गोंय सुद्दां येयलां भितून. कितें आनी आमी गोंयान हेच्या पयलीं हे केसीस खूब पळयलेले आहा. काळाची गरज आसा. आनी एक सांगता, GMCन आयज ज्या प्रकारे चोरये जातात, मोबायल चोरये जातात, कितें भितून कोणूय केअरटेकर म्हणून घुसता, हो प्रकार GMCनूय जावंक शकता. हांव आमचो जो हेल्थ मिनिस्टर आहा ताका हांव शिटकावणी दिवंक सोदतां, मातसो जागो जा. कितें आनी GMCनूय सगळे कडेन कॅमेराज घालून घे. आनी जे तुजे सिक्युरिटीज आहात न्हू कितें चडशे वाळपय आनी 70चेच आहा तांकां मातशी स्ट्रीक हें दी, वॉर्निंग दी की अशें जर घडलें सपोज जाल्यार आपूण तुमकां वोगी रावचो ना म्हणून. आयज GMCन सारकें स्ट्रीक विजील करपाची गरज आसा. थँक्यू.